Hey guys, what's going on? Matt here, and welcome back to the Black Ops 3 Mod Source tutorial series. So then, in this video we're going to be putting snow into the test map. So, full credit here to Ardivee. Those were the people who, made the first tutorial, which I went off when I first learned how to do this. So, credit to them. Of course, I'll put their name in the description, as usual. So then, what we need to do first of all is create an outdoor volume. So what we're going to do is go down to Entity Browser, go and type in outdoor, like such. Down over at the volume section, we'll see outdoor. So drag that into the map. I'm just going to position this, as we would do with any other volume, across all of the map, because of course we want snow to be across the entire map. So I'm just going to fill up all the playable space, like so. There we go. Now, so what we need to do is go over to our our entity info, and you'll see enabled 0, 1, 2, and 3. We're just going to check all of these. Okay, so we don't want this node to go through any of the brushes, of course. So we're going to check all those. Now that's pretty much done there for the radiant side of stuff. We can just save that. I didn't delete it, by the way. I've just got my volumes hidden, so you can see it is still there. Okay, so I'm going to exit this. There we go. And I'm going to go over to my Black Ops 3 root directory. So then, if you go to your user maps, go to your map name and scripts and ZM. If you have a ZM usermap.gsc in here, then you can kind of skip ahead in the video slightly. I don't have it in this for this map, so I need to go and grab that file first. Of course, if you do already have that, you can skip ahead a little bit. So we'll go over to Black Ops 3. We'll go to share, we go to raw, we'll go down to scripts, ZM, and we'll scroll roughly at the very bottom. So ZM usermap.gsc. Okay, make sure you have the .gsc version of this. I'm going to just copy that, and we'll go back over to my Black Ops 3 root, and we'll go to user maps, the map name, scripts, ZM, and go and paste it into there. So we just needed a local version of this. So next what we need to do is of course include this in our zone file. So to do this, we'll open up our launcher, go right click on the map, we'll go to edit zone file. Now in the description of this video you'll find a file. Now that file is going to have a bunch of different code in it. Just work through that file as I'm going through this video, okay? I'm not going to include loads of code in the description because YouTube is a bit of a weird thing that can go on there. Sometimes it doesn't let you put code in the description. So I'm going to put it all into a text document, and you guys can basically download that and open that. So all I'm going to do is grab the code from the other screen. There we go. Now directly underneath this scriptparsetree scripts ZM, obviously your mapname.csc. I'm going to add it directly underneath here, and you'll see it's pretty much the same as this one. It's just user map instead of test. Test in my case. So you can include that in there. As I said, you'll find that in the file from the description. So put that into there. Next, what we need to do is go and edit the actual file we've just done. So we're going to just save this, exit that. Now we're going to go over to our user maps, user map even. Open this up. Now scroll down to it's roughly at line 110. It's this line here, okay. Level util set lighting state. Now we're going to change that from a 1 to a 0. Of course, if yours is already at a 0, we'll leave it as it is. I'm going to save that. Next, what we need to do is, so now we can exit this. We have that now as a 0. Now we need to go into our mapname.csc. Okay, so the CSC version. There we go. Now what we need to do is grab the next line, and we're going to put it directly underneath ZM user map here, okay? So just within here, directly underneath there, and you'll see we have a comment just to let us know this is for snow. This is just for us to read. And we've got define and pre-cache. So these two lines here, okay? So this is all for our FX. That is obviously going to play around the player. So next what we need to do is within the actual main function itself, we now need to add the next line, which is the callback. So what we're going to do is within main, we're just going to put it, I'll put it after user map, like such. I'm going to do callback on local player spawned, okay? Now what we need to do next is actually put in the functions for this now, okay? So at the very, very bottom of the file, we'll put in this like such. So for this file, you've included your FX, you've put your callback in there, then you've put in this big function here, which, as I said, I'll provide a download for that. Now this number here, you can change this, as it says here, you can change it for the intensity. Okay, I'm gonna leave it as 0.3 actually. I'm gonna leave it as default. So all you need to do is put that function in there, and of course just save this file then. What you now need to do is go over to your launcher, of course do a full compile, because you have changed the actual radiant map itself. You need to compile everything there, and I'll see you guys over at Black Ops 3 to show you guys that we've got a bit of snow in the map and it's actually falling around the player. So I'll see you guys over at Black Ops 3 in game. Okay guys, so we're over at Black Ops 3 now, and let's unpause that, and I can see it is quite fine because the map is quite light, but you can see it definitely, you know, when I'm standing in front of a wall, we have snow around us. Now of course you can mess about with the intensity setting on that script, you know, make it a bit more like a blizzard and whatnot. But yeah guys, there you go, got some snow in your map. Now of course you might want to edit your lighting to reflect a bit of snow, maybe put some sands in your map, stuff like that. And of course, you know, edit actual geometry to make it snowy. But yeah guys, that's how to install snow into your map. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try and help you guys where I can. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video, so bye for now.